Figuring out how much GenStone you need for your project area can seem intimidating, but in reality, with help from a project coordinator like me, measuring your installation area is quick and painless. Oh, unless of course the tape measure gets you. To make things easy, we record our measurements in feet and then round up from there. So if you find yourself out in the weeds with some 9 foot and 7/16 inch line on your tape measure, relax, just round it up to 10 and you can always return what you don't end up using. As an example, here's how we would measure a patio project with 2 walls. Start by measuring the entire length of each wall. Next, measure how high you want the GenStone to go. For example, if you were going to do a wainscot, your install height would be about 4 feet tall. This customer decided to go up just above the windows and door, so 7 feet 8 inches. Nope! Don't do it. Make it easy. Round up to 8 feet. Lastly, measure the size of the areas within the install area where you will not attach GenStone. So, here's a recap of what you need to price this project. 2 walls. Left wall, 12 feet long, and the wall on the right is 14 feet long. I want to go up about 8 feet tall with the GenStone. And finally, do you want ledgers? And do you need corners? Lastly, plug your measurements into our online calculator or send them to your project coordinator and voila, we'll tell you exactly how much GenStone you need. If all else fails, set something recognizable in front of your wall like this glass cleaner or your Labrador, and we'll do our best to use those for scale. Thanks, and see you next time on Focus on the FAQs.